my goodness. Whoa. Yep. I got another one. Okay, I lied. I didn't technically buy this. AZBO, which is the brand that makes this, sent it over to us and are sponsoring this video. They did say if this thing sucks, I can completely trash them on camera though, so whatever I say about this, I haven't ridden it yet, so I don't know what I'm gonna say about this. I'm going to be 100% completely, undeniably, unashamedly, I'm gonna be honest. Okay, maiden voyage. I'm a little bit terrified. Oh wow, the trucks are so loose. It's a longboard. AZBO electric skateboard. Whoa. Wow, the throttle. Oh wow, the throttle is touchy. Ooh, okay, we got it. Oh wow, the throttle is touchy. There's a Mercedes behind me. They're gonna kill me. Woo, we're going. Oh my god, I need to tighten the trucks on this. This is way too loose. Oh wow, this goes fast. Holy crap, this goes fast. Oh my goodness, this is not safe at all. I should be definitely wearing a helmet right now. Woo! This is so much fun. You know what, whoa, the brakes are so touchy on this. I almost died again. Way smoother ride though. I don't know if it's because of longboard or the wheels are bigger or what the deal is, except potholes and bumps. I'm barely feeling them at all. I'm just terrified to touch the throttle or the brake. It's so touchy, but wow, this is a smooth ride and it goes so fast. Okay, sorry to interrupt, but we do need to talk about the specs on this thing. Of course, any electric skateboard that comes out is competing directly with Boosted Board. They are the top of the line, the Lamborghinis of electric skateboards. So the AZBO stacks up pretty good. It weighs 19 pounds. It has a top speed of 25 miles an hour and an advertised maximum range of 19 miles. Takes an hour and a half to charge, and all of that comes in at only $650. Now you compare that with the Boosted Board Mini. Obviously it's a skateboard size, not a longboard. It has a top speed of 22 miles an hour, weighs 15 pounds, has a max range of 14 miles, and comes in at $999. Now Boosted Board is, as I said, the Lamborghini of electric skateboards. They can charge a little bit more of a premium, but as you can see, there's a big price difference. So if you're on a budget, this AZBO board could come in handy. So in the spirit of science, Josh and I are lined up about 100 feet away from a cone down there. I have the AZBO, Josh has the Boosted Board. Purely for scientific reasons, if this is correct at all in their claim of 25 miles an hour, I should win by at least a decent amount. All right, Josh, you ready?
I'm ready.
No cheating. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, hold up, I'm not going. My board's not on. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh. Josh is beating me, and I'm going full speed. Okay, this does not go 25 miles an hour. It goes fast, don't get me wrong. Like, it goes very fast. It feels terrifying when you're riding it. But it goes more like 20 or 21 miles an hour. You're not hitting 25 miles an hour on this, because Josh beat me significantly on the Boosted Board, which only goes 22. Slight amendment on this. I said it originally wasn't as fast as the Boosted Board. partially true. The boosted board seems to be quicker in low distances, like under 100 meters. I don't know if it's because the wheels are bigger or this is heavier, but this takes time to get up to full speed. We were going down a straight road. This 100% goes faster than the boosted board. Josh is getting up to speed in front of me. Josh, let me know when you're going full speed, okay? All right, I'm giving her. We're still accelerating, still accelerating, still accelerating. And this is where we catch up to Josh. This thing goes fast. Josh is full speed, and here we go. See you later. Yeah, this thing goes 25 miles an hour. At least. It just takes a lot. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Just a lot of time to get up to full speed. So one of the biggest differences of this board versus the boosted board is that this is a hub motor and boosted boards use belt-driven motors. So one of the positives is that this is a lot quieter. The boosted board is so loud. Full speed, it sounds like this. That's the belt-driven motor, and then this full speed sounds like this.
That's actually insane.
It's significantly quieter. I don't know if that matters to you, but I mean, driving around, this is loud. You get some weird looks.
People look around.
People look like, where is this? Like they think there's an attack helicopter coming for them. If you don't want people to look around in fright, hub motors are the way to go. Overall, it's a really, really good board. Like, I enjoy riding this. The wheels are huge, so it has a really smooth feel on cobblestone, on potholes. Winnipeg has a lot of potholes, so this is perfect. My first impressions, the only complaint I have about this thing is the controller. It's a little bit too small for my giant hands, and the throttle is just a little bit too touchy. But other than that, this has been amazing so far. So overall, would I recommend the AZBO electric skateboard? Yes, I would. It's a great budget model if you guys want to get into electric skateboards but don't want to drop $1,000, $1,400 on a boosted board and are looking for something more affordable. This is a great option. I would 100% recommend it. You don't know how much fun these things are. If you've never ridden one, do yourself a favor, find a friend that has one, stop some stranger that you see on the street that's riding one, and try riding one of these. It is some of the most fun you can have. On the website for these guys, it says the range for this board is 19 miles. To put that into perspective, I mean, I've been on this all day. The boosted board advertises a maximum range of 14 miles, and going full speed around downtown, I generally get around 8 or 9 miles out of the boosted board. I've gone 10.5 miles on this today already, and we're still doing like 20% on the battery, so I think that's a pretty safe advertisement that this thing actually gets 19 miles if you were pretty safe with the way you were riding it, didn't go full throttle. But going full speed, you can probably get a good 12 miles out of this, which is really amazing. You're getting wherever you need to go. I mean, as I said, I've been on this thing all day and we still have 20% battery.